In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from USAA to Chime. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to transfer any amount of funds from USAA to Chime is to use Zelle through the mobile banking app for USAA. So first, update the mobile banking app for USAA and open it up. Inside of the app, you will be able to select Zelle under the banking menu at the top of your screen. After that, select Send, and you will be able to choose one person to transfer the money to from the list of trusted recipients that you have. If necessary, tap the plus sign located at the top right corner of the recipients list to add a new recipient. You will be able to use their phone number, email, or any other method available in order to add them to this list. Once they appear in your recipients list, you will be able to select them in order to transfer the money and include the specific amount that you wish to transfer. In there, include the amount and double check to see if you selected the correct account, and if everything looks okay, you will be able to review before completing the order. As long as all the contact information is in order and you have the available funds, you will be able to transfer the money to Chime. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from USAA to Chime. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.